Been trying to write a novel for like 10 years. I believe this is my problem. I've been writing on a computer. There's too many distractions.
There it is.
You get the typewriter. You got to focus on the typewriter. Please introduce yourself to the folks at home.
Hello, I'm Kay Sable.
Very nice to meet you, Kay.
And I'm Gary Moffett, and I live in Auburn. Kay's from Folsom. And you're absolutely right. Writers really appreciate the interactive quality of a manual typewriter because they're not distracted. They have to think about what they're going to say before they actually commit it to paper. It's not, you don't have the indulgence of being able to go back and move paragraphs around without a lot of difficulty.
Right.
So they really are used by many writers today.
It gives you a chance to kind of self-edit as you're going along, which is pretty cool. You brought your collection here.
Well, this is
this part of it.
Yeah, we're going to have. Well, our event is called the Typewriter Revolution. It's at the State Theater, which is an Art Deco theater that's been beautifully restored in downtown Auburn, 985 High Street. The program is October 27th. It starts at 4 p.m. It's got 3 pieces. The first piece is an exhibition of more than 50 vintage typewriters, including all of these will be here. They all work, and they're all beautifully reconditioned. The second piece is I'm going to be interviewing a man named Richard Polt, who has written a book called The Typewriter Revolution, and he's a genius. And the guy's also a professor of philosophy at Xavier University in Cincinnati. He's flying out to join us for this.
Interesting.
We're going to talk about everything typewriter, including how they're used, the innovative ways they're used today, and we're going to follow that up with the screening of the documentary California Typewriter.
Fantastic.
Which stars Tom Hanks, David McCullough, Sam Shepard, and John Mayer. And you mentioned Tom Hanks at one of the breaks here, and he has a collection of 250 machines. So this guy is really into it. And actually, I've corresponded with him, and he sent me a note on his own letterhead using his typewriter.
Using his typewriter.
So
right.
cool.
It's so amazing. And don't think that I didn't notice you have an Apple Watch and you dig the typewriter.
Oh yeah, that's true. I got my first typewriter in 1984, and I'm a writer by trade, and I've used them for my whole career. But I get so much pleasure out of using a machine like this. This is a 1914 Underwood No. 5, and it is in perfect condition, and it works flawlessly. And you show me a computer that's going to, 100 years from now, that's going to be working flawlessly.
100 days from now.
It don't happen.
Kate, show them the first laptop. This was funny that you were showing me.
This is a Corona from 1912. This is the original laptop.
Ooh, it flipped down. It's easier to carry.
The drop top.
And it's so small, it's just slightly bigger than my hand.
That's crazy. These are so beautiful. There's something like something about the gears and the levers and the stuff like that to me that it's artistic more than and functional at the same time.
It's tactile. You can relate to the machine. You can hear it. It's dynamic, and it's beautiful. The machines are cool. This one was for war correspondence. The keys go down and up so that you could tap it and tuck it into your rucksack and take it out into the field.
Oh, this is fantastic. Okay, everybody's got to go to Auburn to see this. We're running out of time. Thank you very much.
It's Saturday the 27th. Tickets are available at livefromauburn.com. That's the State Theater's website. Tickets are $25. We invite everybody to come out and see what's new again.
Love it. Love it. This is fascinating. Thank you both. All right, back to you guys.
Do we get to play with the toys? No, we can't play with those.
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, okay. Good.
The 9 o'clock hour scripts will all be